Hello, welcome to In 5 Minutes. In the previous case, we had added phosphorus to the silicon atom. What it was doing, it was giving out one electron, so it was called as donor impurity, and the semiconductor which is generated because of the donor impurity is nothing but N-type semiconductor. Now this concept is very important for the diode as well as the BJT. Now when you look at this diagram, what you can see now, a group 3 element. What do you mean by group 3 element? An element which contains 3 electrons in the valence shell. So here we are using group 3 element as boron in the structure. So when group 3 impurity is added to the silicon structure, what we are doing, we are adding impurity. What process is called as adding impurity? It is nothing but it is doping. When you are adding impurity to a crystal structure, it is called as doping. So when we are adding boron atom, it has 3 electrons in the valence shell. So what you can say, one electron will bond with this silicon, one will bond with this silicon, one will bond with the other silicon. Now this place is vacant. What you can say, it cannot form a bond with this silicon atom, so this is nothing but a vacancy. Now what it can do, another silicon bond, any of the bond, say I am taking this bond, this electron has thermal energy at room temperature, you can say, so that it can break this bond and get transferred over here. So when this bond is breaking, what you are generating, a hole is created over here, an electron from there is transferred over here, but still it is immobile, so boron cannot contribute for the current, but this hole can contribute for the current because it is a free hole which is generated after breaking the bond over here. Now what is done over here, you can see this electron from this silicon bond is getting transferred over here. When this electron is transferred from this point to this point, a negative charge ion is created over here and a positive charge hole is created over here. Now what you can say, initially the one bond position was open over here. Now the boron atom, when after getting an electron, gets a net negative charge but cannot move, and a hole is created over here because of the movement of electron from this atom to the boron. Now because the boron atom has accepted the electron, the boron is therefore an acceptor impurity, whereas phosphorus was donating an electron, so it was called as an donor impurity. Here boron is accepting an electron, hence it is called as acceptor impurity. Now acceptor atoms leads to creation of holes without electrons being generated. That means it is not generating the electrons, it is transferring this electron from this bond to this bond, and a free hole is created rather than creating an electron. Now this process is called as doping, which can be used to control the concentration of holes, whereas in case of phosphorus we were dealing with the concentration of electrons in a semiconductor. Now what you can say, a semiconductor that contains acceptor impurity atoms is called p-type semiconductor. What you can say, boron for example, here it is accepting the electrons, so a semiconductor that contains acceptor impurity, you can say in this case boron is an acceptor impurity because it is accepting the electron of this silicon atom, that is the electron of this silicon atom moves from this point to this point, so it is accepting the electron, hence this type of semiconductor gives us p-type of semiconductor. Now the materials containing impurities are called extrinsic semiconductors or doped semiconductors. So when we are adding impurities to the circuit, it generates type of semiconductors called as extrinsic semiconductors, or the other name is doped semiconductors. Why we go for doping? That is in order to increase the number of free electron or hole pairs. So in order to increase free electrons, we go for which type of impurity? Say donor impurity. In order to increase hole pairs, we go for acceptor impurity. This is how we are generating the free electrons and holes. Now the next part is